Today, I'll show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. WhatsApp does not let you directly restore a Google Drive chat backup inside WhatsApp on iPhone the way Android does. WhatsApp's official restore page for iPhone says, iPhone restores chat history from an existing iCloud backup, while Google Drive backups are used on Android. If your backup is in Google Drive, the official way to bring those chats to an iPhone is usually through WhatsApp's move to iOS transfer process from the Android phone itself, not by signing into Google Drive on the iPhone. So if you still have your old Android phone, that is the best path. WhatsApp's official Android to iPhone guide says you should use Apple's Move to iOS app during the iPhone setup process. On your new or factory reset iPhone, go through setup until you reach the Move data from Android screen. On the Android phone, open Move to iOS, enter the code shown on the iPhone, and continue the transfer. WhatsApp says this is the supported method for moving chats from Android to iPhone. During that process, keep both phones connected to power and on the same network or cable connection if available. After the transfer finishes, install WhatsApp on the iPhone and sign in with the same phone number you used on the Android device. WhatsApp's transfer guidance explains that your chat history can then be imported to the iPhone as part of the migration flow. Now, here's the key point. If you only have the Google Drive backup, but you no longer have the Android phone needed for the transfer, WhatsApp does not provide a direct official option to restore that Google Drive backup onto an iPhone. On iPhone, WhatsApp looks for an iCloud backup when restoring chats, not a Google Drive backup. That means logging into Google Drive on the iPhone will not normally restore your WhatsApp chats there. So, in simple terms, you cannot directly restore a WhatsApp Google Drive backup to iPhone inside WhatsApp. The official solution is to transfer chats from your Android phone to your iPhone using Move to iOS during iPhone setup. If the chats are already backed up in iCloud instead, then iPhone can restore them normally from that iCloud backup. And that's how to restore a WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.